Operation Kill the Python in Anâmbra State. As Simon Ekpa don come outside for one of him tweet, come talk say he say the people wey buy the small boy for Anâmbra wey kill Biafra children for Anâmbra State are collecting it to woto. And no be small thing, no. They say that Anâmbra State, the place where they call Ihiala, is currently hot as we dey talk now. Yeah, my wonderful people, who go find out how this thing take happen. Oh, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today are the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebene Kwezioku. We dey here today to bring you ogbonge news of things where they happen for inside Biafra land for Alibo as we dey talk right now. He said that Operation Kill the Python in Anâmbra have officially kicking off. This tweet is coming by Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. As that one dey happen, they say that they don't buy some security men for inside Anâmbra. Say most of them on the run as they leave their vehicle run. About two of their Sienna say they don't burn them down for inside Anâmbra State. No be small thing, no. They say a lot of things they happen for inside that area today as we dey talk. And we will bring some videos come up before we come back and talk so many things what we get for here today.
This is one of the security vehicles. Yes. One of the security vehicles of Anâmbra AVG, domiciled in Okija. Unfortunately, probably, but I have no right to tamper whatever that is inside this vehicle. Anyway, this is the one of the vehicles of Anâmbra AVG domiciled in Okija. Unfortunately, it was abandoned here due to the fracas that took place in Okija today. Today, 5th of December 2023. So this is the situation here. This is a road along Umuebuke, Ihiala. A boundary between Okija and Ihiala. Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, this is the one of the video that we about to the things that happens today in that place. No be small thing, no. They say some of them run. Even the information what would they get? I say they capture some people, as they catch some people, carry them come out as they run inside these people. And that one they happen. No, I will go show you another video of where they don't burn about 2 motors are done already. So let's watch the video together. This is now waiting they happen today for inside Anâmbra. Remember Operation Kill the Python.
Oh yeah.
Welcome back, my people. You don't see wetin dey happen for Okija. Unfortunately, we will not fit bring the video as the motor dey burn yata. But this is now wetin happen for inside Okija today. They say that This is Anâmbra security men. They say this resistance fighter run across them, and now waiting they collect today. Now be this one. No be small thing, a lot of things happen today, but we will go ahead, go look into the other matter where they for our hand today. Stay tuned as we they bring them. They come. Let's quickly jump into the Imo State today. Go know wetin dey happen for Imo State. They say that the Supreme Court dismissed PDP application seeking the Hope Uzodinma removal. The Supreme Court rejected an application filed by Emeka Ihedioha of the People Democratic Party seeking for Hope Uzodinma removal. They say that the court don't give them base bozai. These people, they know what they do. Once they do, they say, well, let's go to court, though. Let's go to court, though. Which court are you people going? The same court that is holding Maazim Nnamdi Kanu after discharging him. The same court. So there is no justice in Nigeria court. Everything has been compromised by APC government. APC government. She all of una dey talk Tinubu, una dey hear am now. Tinubu APC. So the people where our people get, the problem where our people get now, when you come to party, they now see party as a secret society where we say, I belong to APC, I belong to PDP, I belong here, but where they belong, they don't know waiting, they don't know nothing. They no care for waiting the government fit offer to the society. They don't care. Waiting they care na party that name PDP, APC, and now they hear them. So the better you learn the purpose of that party and what they are doing, and stop supporting evil. When you see evil, you condemn it. The better for you people. But however, the Biafra people have made their own demand and standing on it, that what they need is their own country. So for the people who are still hustling for better of Nigeria, they better go and rethink. So this is what is happening today, as it is happening in Okija today. So they say that the Biafra resistance fighter don't neutralize many Nigeria security from inside Okija, which is the video we will share now. So please share this video and make sure that you follow this page for more updates, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you share this video, and share this video, very, very important. People need to know what thing they happen. Oh, remember what thing they happen for that area. Operation Kill the Python. Okay, my people, we will see you for the next update.